Welcome to my presentation. This is I am Majorul Islam with you. My dear learners, you know that you are student of Ghaffurganj Islamic Government High School and I run English Language Club. Its name is Ghaffurganj Islamic Government High School English Language Club. You are the member of this club. Different class students already enlisted in this club, and today we are going to discuss about language club, especially English language club, and some new members also enlisted, and new members are going to describe only themselves. Those who are old members, you are trying to explain about this topic. Understand? And English is an international language. English is a global language. You have to remember that you will try to learn English language and how to develop your speaking ability. I have organized this club. This club, if you participated regularly, once upon a time, you will become a good speaker. Club greatly helps you. Okay, first, who will come here? Come here. Okay. Carry on.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Fahim Ahmed before you. First of all, I want to thank my honorable teacher for giving me opportunity to say something about English Language Club. English Language Club is a place where language learner are used to English in a causal setting. It takes care of students in different developmental needs such as their creativities and skills. People who know English, they can get more opportunities to get good job and better chance for doing anything. Uh, English Language Club is very important for us because it develop our speaking English capability. And English Language Club allow fun and enjoyment for us. It also allow fun and enjoyment for us, and it also allow to practice English and also allow to practice English by watching movie and a lot of extracurricular activities. The fun and enjoyment will remove monotony from them and the process of learning English and learn them to the motivate to learn. That's all. Thank you.
Excellent. Clap for him. Clap for him. And brilliantly, he has presented himself. That's been his topics, dear learners, and you have already listened his speech. Okay, now who is interested? Okay, Dil is going to present himself. Hurry up.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. At first, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me this opportunity. So, actually, I'm not a good speaker in English, but I'll try my level best. So, it will be grateful for me if you ignore my shortcomings. So, the topic is importance of English Language Club. We have to see why it is English, why it's not Arabic or Bangla. Because English is an international language. It is spoken all over the world. There are so many jobs. Basically, if you can speak in English, there are so many jobs are offering for you. So many doors of other countries are open for you. So, by joining the English Language Club, you can enhance your speaking skill, reading skill, and other. And the new curriculum emphasizes on your skill-based development. It also says that. So I would like to finish here. That's all for the time being. Thank you for listening to me passionately. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Dil. You have presented yourself very nicely. Now, you come here. Hurry up.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and then thank you my teacher to give me the opportunity to tell something. First of all, I would like to tell you about myself. My full name is Mohammad Al-Haq, but everyone call me Mohammad. I'm a student of Ghaffurganj Islamic Government School, Ghaffurganj Islamic Government High School. I am grade 9, and my today's topic is the importance of English Language Club. English language club is very important for us because we learn English. What is an international language? We learn English from this English language club. And, last I conclude this. Last I would like to tell you that I have no preparation well. And that's all for today. Thank you for the timing. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, thank you. Clap for him. I would like to inform you that if you join language club, you will get different kinds of activities. That's been learning by doing. You come here to say something, and sometimes I will arrange the session. That's when by questioning, you will come here. Other members will participate. Will ask you. Overall, if you join and if you determined, you must become a good speaker. Next, who will come?
Thank you, sir, for giving this amazing opportunity. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Well, I am Muhammad Mahmudul Haq. Before you can call me Araf. Actually, I'm not a good speaker like you. I possess very little knowledge, so that's my request to all. Please, you will ignore all of my shortcomings. So our today's topic is the importance of a language club, especially an English language club. And we know language stands for communication, and a language club stands for increase our communication skills. And actually, especially for students, English language club is very important because English language club helps us to increase our English speaking power, English listening power. And we know that English is an international language, it's also a global language. And in 21st century, we can't skip English. If we want to do something better in future, then we must go with English. And actually, a language club helps us in many ways. In a language club, we made many kinds of language club members. Some of them are better than us, and in this way we got a chance to learn something from them. And a language club is actually every student should join language club for increase their speaking ability. So that is all for today. For the time being, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent. Clap for him. Araf nicely presented himself. Dear learners, okay, carry on one by one. You are doing really great. Next speaker. Take. Okay, carry on.
Hello dear guests, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all are well by the grace of Almighty. And my name is Arham Hassan Dipro, but you call me Dipro. I am a student of Ghafarganj Islamic High School, grade 8. So, thanks for giving me opportunity. Today's topic is the English Language Club. English Language Club is a club where people go to practicing English. It is our communication skills improving. So, people have a language club in their school. We have an English language club. Sometimes in their language club, people foreigner communicate with us and we express ourselves by speaking English with them. We know about their countries by speaking English. It's very important for us. Before coming English language club, my speaking was so weak. But now I can realize that my speaking tests are improving day by day. No one can perfect overnight, but if you hard struggle, determination, intention, you will do today or tomorrow, you can do this. So we must learn in English. So in English language club, we learn some English, practicing ourselves speaking, test, etc. So English language club has more facilities. We can see English movies, English learners, and there are many members in the English club. They are better than I. So the time is short. So that's it. I have no preparation, but again I say I'm not good at English at speaking. So sorry for that. That's it. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Deepak. You have delivered an excellent speech before us. Mind it, those who are the member of in this club, you will practice and you will help each other, learning by doing. And in this way, you will become a good speaker. You are a very lucky person. Your school has a language club. If you practice and if you participate continuously, your fluency must be improved. Okay, now.
Dear friends and my honorable teacher, Assalamu alaikum. I am very glad to be here in this prison program. Actually, it is a great pleasure for me to say something before you with English language. Now, myself, Nashid Al Fuad, I am going to deliver my speech in the importance of English language club. So first of all, if we talk about the importance of English language, we can in this modern age we cannot seek a good job without knowing English. And if you want to pursue a higher education, home and abroad, absolutely we can learn how to speak English, and we have the ability to understand others English speaking. But in the perspective of Bangladesh, many people don't know how to speak in English, and they don't get the suitable place to learn English. For this reason, English language club played a very important role to give the situation for the students to learn English. And this is a matter of joy that our school has an English language club. Our honorable teacher MD Majul Islam ran this club, and and I'm also the member of this club. Now I'm able to speak in English. Now I am able to understand others speaking. And our teacher also provides us various kinds of information. They also provides us English newspaper. It is very useful and helpful for enriching our English speaking skill. So time is very short now. I have to conclude my speech here. That's it for the time being. Allah Hafiz.
Thanks.
Thanks to previous speaker, he has already presented himself very nicely. Now, another speaker already present here. Now, he's going to deliver.
Dear friends and honorable teacher, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I am very glad to be here in this pleasant session, and actually I am not a good speaker anyway. I will try my level best to say something on to this topic before you. The topic is importance of learning English in English language club. At first, my full name is Abir Ahmed Jisan, but you can call me Abir Ahmed, and I am a student of Gopalganj Islamia Government High School, Leicester. English language club is a place for students because English language club is mainly created for students because in this place they learn English, they knowing English. In our country, students don't have good opportunities to learn English, to tell English. For this reason, our schools has English language club, and English is the international language. And if we know, if we get a good job, if we go another countries, then we must know English. Also, if we want to a professional speaker, then the English is must be learned for us. And our school has an English language club, and MD Mazharul Islam, our honorable judge, is director. And I am really lucky for this English language club member because even the other schools don't have English language club. And that's all for the time being. That's all for the time being. Thank you for giving me this time. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent, and congratulations, dear learners. And you will try to, after joining the language club, what's the benefit? Understand? And you must mention, I am the member of this club. I am my targeting point. I will become a good speaker. I will become a good presenter. I will learn English to build up a good communication abroad country. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next speaker, come here.
Dear listeners, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Samuel. Thanks my teacher to give me the opportunity to say something regarding to my topic. Actually, I am not on the habit of speaking in public places. Sorry for my ignorance, but I will try my level best to say something regarding to my topic. Today's topic is the importance of English language club. English is an international language. English language club is a place where the students get the opportunity to say speak in English. Without knowing English, we can get without knowing English, we cannot get higher education because the higher education books are translated in English. If moreover, if we don't know English, we can't communicate with foreigners. For example, my honorable teacher, MD Mazharul Islam, has been connected with 20 plus countries. I am also a member of English Language Club. That is directed by our honorable teacher, MD Mazharul Islam. That's all for the timing. The time is short. Truly, brothers, that was a nice moment with you. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, thank you. But I hope that today your performance is not so good. But you promised before us that, sir, today's performance is not so good. I'm not afraid. And I don't feel shy, but my challenge, day by day, I will improve. And once upon a time, I will become a good speaker. Dear learners, I would like to inform you that I run 2 language clubs. In my school, face-to-face, and another school virtual platform, online language club. Its name, Online English Language Club. That platform, there are some members. And that platform, I try to connect some foreign teacher because face-to-face class, it's not possible for me. But online platform is very easy for me because the world is very small village and the world education system already changed. And if you know English, if you know internet technology, this greatly help you to connect other country teacher and students. Okay, now another participant. Hurry up, come here. Hi.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. At first take my love. This is Rukun Ahmed. I am grade 7 of Gopurgaon Islamia Government High School. Today I describe about the importance of English language. English is an international language. About 350 million people speak English as a first language. On the other hand, 300 million people use it as a second language. English Language Club is very important for develop and learn English language. We use English language to communication with the people of other countries. Many kinds of people like teachers, students, doctors, officers and engineers must learn English for better performance in their respective fields. So we should take part in English Language Club to develop our English language. That's all, thanks.
Okay, clap for him. Clap for him. Brilliantly, he has been presented. Okay, congratulations. Now, I'm going to give opportunity another student. Please come here.
Honorable audiences, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Juwair Islam Afnan for you from Gopurgaon Islamia Government High School. I'm not a good speaker like you, I possess very little knowledge, so it's my request to all, please you will ignore all my shortcomings. Anyway, I'll try my best to share my little knowledge with you. Today's topic is about the English Language Club. We all know English is an international language. We use English for a secondary language for communicating other peoples or other countries. Our English Language Club helps us for communicating, for learning English language, or etc. etc. And it is a matter of joy that our school had also English language club directed by our sir MD Mazharul Islam. That's all about my speech. Because of I have not such a preparation. So that's all. Thank you very much.
Okay, clap for him. Now I am going to introduce some English language club new members. Okay, one by one. Come here and introduce yourself very shortly. Okay. You can continue.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, please allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Hassan, but call me Jay. I'm 13 years old. I am a student of class 9. My school's name is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. My father's name is Kamal Hussain and my mother's name is Jasmine Ara. My main ambition is to be engineer. That's all. Thank you.
Excellent. Next new member. Come here. Hurry up. Others members, get ready.
Hello everyone. At first take
Raise your voice.
my salam. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Musur Alam, but call me Musur. I am a student. I grade in 9. My school name is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. My hobby is traveling, and my main ambition is to be a BCS cadet.
That's all.
That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Clap for him. Next. Hurry up. Others members, get ready.
Hello everyone, please allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Mr. Benjamin Amit Sinha, but my friends and others call me Sinha. I am a student of grade 8 in Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. I have 13 years old. I am 13 years old. I live in Gopalganj, but I come from Uthuri. My main ambition is to be army officer. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Clap for him. Next. Hurry up.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am present myself shortly. Hello everyone, my name is Jubair Hassan Shamrar. I am a student of Islamia Government High School. I read in class 8, and my father's name is Amanullah and my mother's name is Sabina Yasmin. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Next session, you will do better. Okay. He is a student of grade 6, the youngest participant. Okay.
Dear friends and honorable teacher, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I am very glad to be here in this presentation. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Shan Mahmood Raj. I am 11 years old. I read in class 6. The name of my school is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. I live in Mymensingh at Gopalganj. I want to be a doctor. That's all. Thank you.
Really, auntie, clap for him. He is only grade 6. If he continues from this stage, I hope that after 3 years and after 4 years, he will become an excellent speaker. Okay, next, come here. Other members, get ready. One by one, come here.
How are you? I hope you are also fine and I am also fine. Firstly, thanks Mr. Mazharul Islam sir to give me an opportunity to say something about myself. Okay, this is Digoto Bishar Dev for you, but you can call me Dev. I am 14 years old and my school name is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School and I am in grade 8. My father's name is Mr. Parimal Chandra Bishas and my mother's name is Miss Rita Rani. I have two elder brothers and I am from Gopalganj. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Now.
Hello everyone. I'm not a good speaker like you, but I will try my level best to say something. Please, dear audience, allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Tamful Turak, but you should call me Turak. I grade in class 9. I'm a student of Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. My future admission is to be a software engineer. That's all for the timing. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Clap for him. Because to tell something before camera, it's very difficult task. I have understood, but it will be reduce your anxiety and stress if you come to the language club continuously. Okay.
Hello everyone, today I introduce myself. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. My full name is Muhammad Habib, but call me Habib. I am 15 years old.
and I read in class 9. My school name is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. My main ambition is to be an engineer. That's all. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. Next speaker. Okay, come here. Take it in your hand.
Dear audience, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Well, this is, how are you? Well, this is Aram Shahid Hassan Taif. I'm really pleased to come here in this beautiful morning.
Beautiful noon moment.
Beautiful noon moment.
Actually-
Actually, I am not a good speaker, but I want to be good speaker in future. I am sorry for my ignorance. My today's topic is about myself. My full name is FM Shahid Hassan Taif, but call me Taif. I am 15 years old. I am a student. I read in class 9. The name of my school is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. I live at Hospital Road in Gopalganj. My main ambition is to be an army chief. That's all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent. Clap for him. Clap for him. Okay. Now.
Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I am a new member of English Language Club. So I have very mistakes for not practice. So my name is Sadiqul Islam. I am a student of grade 9. My father's name is MD Madarul Islam. My mother's name is Muslim Fahana Siddiqa Shaun. My hobby is cricket. My hobby is gardening. My favorite sports is football, and my future plan is to be a computer engineer. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Anyone left? Everyone already have been taken part?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for today's program, for participating. Wonderful. You have brilliantly presented yourself. Mind it. When I started my journey, my situation was as like you. Understand? But I have been gradually improved. You will do. And you will do better than I always believe. Because you are learners, you have so much potentiality, you have so much capability to do something different. Mind it, dear learners, speaking ability, speaking fluency, speaking proficiency make you unique coming future. English is a language. If you get huge number, I suppose, but you have no ability to pronounce a single word, your certificate will become totally valueless, worthless. Understand? But if you are able to speak, mind it, the whole world you can enter very easily. Because the world is a global village. Global village uses common language, its name is English. So, again, now I am going to end my speech. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you bottom of my heart. I hope that next session will be better. Allah Hafiz.